In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Yahoo email username. If you're looking for a way to update your Yahoo email account with a new username, or perhaps you're wanting to start fresh, you've come to the right place. We'll explore a couple of solutions to help you achieve this, keeping everything as clear and straightforward as possible. Let's start with the first approach, creating an entirely new Yahoo email account. Unfortunately, Yahoo does not allow you to change your username on an existing email account. This means that if you're intent on having a different username, you'll need to create a new account altogether. Here's how. Go to the Yahoo signup page, which you can easily find by searching Yahoo signup in your web browser. Once there, you'll be prompted to fill out a form with all the necessary personal information, such as your first and last name, a desired username, a secure password, and other details, all designed to keep your new account secure and personalized. Make sure to select a username that aligns with your preferences, as this will represent you each time you send or receive emails. You'll also need to provide a valid phone number. This step is an essential part of the registration process because Yahoo uses your phone number to verify your account. After submitting this information, a verification code will be sent to the provided phone number. Go ahead and enter this code when prompted, and your account setup process will be complete. Now, if you'd rather not go through the hassle of managing multiple email accounts, you can opt for a second method, setting up an email alias. An email alias allows you to add an alternate email address that you can use to send and receive emails, functioning just like your primary email account, but with the added flexibility of a different name. To do this, start by logging into your existing Yahoo Mail account. Once you're in, head to your account settings. Look for an option related to managing or creating an alias in your mail settings. From here, you'll be able to add a new email alias, choosing a name that fits your needs. Keep in mind that this alias isn't a separate account, but it is linked to your primary Yahoo account, which means you'll be able to receive emails sent to your alias in your usual inbox. Whether you choose to create a new account or opt for the convenience of an email alias, make sure you share your new contact information with family, friends, and colleagues to ensure they know how to reach you. We're confident that these solutions will help you effectively manage your email communications with the username of your choice. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.